Hey beauties, what's up? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all my nighttime skincare routine. I already did my morning skincare routine, so if you guys haven't checked that out yet, be sure to click on the link down below to see my favorite products to use in the morning time. Also, you already know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. It's a big bright red so you can't miss it. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'm telling y'all, my skin has bounced back, honey, after sticking to these routines. So if you want to get on ready with me and see how I prep my skin for bed, just keep on watching. So let's be honest, removing our makeup after coming from a fun night is the last thing that we want to do. But so is popping pimples and getting dark marks and my skin being oily. So my days of falling asleep with makeup are over. So the first thing I like to do is get some satin scrunchies and just put my hair out of my face, because I find that whenever I wash my face, my hair is always in the way. So whenever I remove my makeup, I always start with my eyes, and my product of choice is always Vaseline and some toilet tissue. You know Vaseline is a skin protectant, and you know tissue is tissue. I mean, it can be any type of tissue. I'm just using toilet tissue because that's what I have on hand, and I'm basically massaging the Vaseline all over my eyes to break down the mascara, the eyeliner, and the eyeshadow. I just work it all around, careful not to get any inside my actual eye, and then I wrap a piece of toilet tissue around my finger and begin to wipe the Vaseline makeup mixture off my eyes. Sometimes I look like someone dead beat me up, but I just repeat the same step until all of my eye makeup is gone. Once majority of my eye makeup is gone, I remove the rest of my makeup with an oil. I find that sweet almond oil works best. I've tried coconut oil and it just clogs my pores, and the rest of them, I didn't give them a try, okay? Because sweet almond oil has been working so well for me. I just massage it all over my face in a circular motion. It does such a good job at removing all my makeup from my lipstick to my eyebrows to my foundation. It contains vitamin E, which is extremely beneficial for the skin. It just breaks all of it down without irritating my skin and leaves it feeling baby soft. And once I'm done doing that, I just take a baby wipe or a makeup wipe. It really depends on what I have on hand, but I just find that baby wipes are a little bit more gentle, and I wipe the rest of the makeup off my face. As you can see, I'm just folding the baby wipe and just swiping off each side of my face. Careful not to get it in my eye, but look at that. Look how much makeup got off my face with just one swipe. Well, technically it was like 4 or 5 swipes, but y'all know what I mean. Even though I just spent mad long removing my makeup, believe it or not, there's still more makeup on my face.
But wait! There's more!
So to get the rest of this gunk off my face, I like to go in with my Clarisonic exfoliating brush in conjunction with the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. Now these two things together has literally improved my skin drastically over the years. So I just wet my face with warm water, and then I add some of the cleanser onto the spin brush head that comes with the Clarisonic and go in with exfoliating my face. Like, I like to go on the areas that I have the most scarring and tend to get the most breakouts. That's usually my forehead, my chin, and my cheeks. So I basically use this every time I take my makeup off or when my pores are just in need of a deep cleansing. My mom gifted this spin brush to me like a while back, and I have not stopped using it. It has been that ride or die staple product in my skincare routine.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
So basically, y'all gonna see me making this face the whole entire time because my dumbass opened my eyes and got soap in there. But like I was saying, I had this tool forever, and I know I need a new one, but it's still working, so I'm literally gonna ride it until the battery stops working, okay? So about 2 to 3 times a week, I love to use a mask. Like, I always alternate between a few masks, but my current favorite is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask by Kiehl. This thing is so thick and it really gets deep into your pores. All you need is a thin layer, but you know, sometimes I get a little bit crazy and just, you know, applying a thick layer. I did wet my face with warm water before applying this because that's what the directions say. And you know, I just sparingly put it across my face. I don't cover my lips, my eyes, obviously my eyes, come on. But yeah, I look like Casper the Ghost when I'm done, and I leave this joint on for 10 minutes. You know, do my little dance or whatever while it's drying, you know. Can y'all guess what I'm dancing to or not? Anyway, once you know it gets hard and you can't remove it and all that good stuff, you want to rinse it. So that's what I'm about to do. Rinse it with some warm water, you know, make sure there's no leftover mask on my face. Once I'm done, my skin is looking all clean, all glowy, feeling all soft and supple. You see, I'm even recognizing the glow. And then you wanna pat, 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 pat. You wanna pat, 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 pat. No dragging, no tugging, no pulling on your skin, no wiping, no swiping. You know, just, you wanna pat your face dry, okay? That's basically what I'm trying to say. Next up, I like to go in with the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. I also use Tia & Dickinson's Witch Hazel or aloe vera gel, like you guys saw in my morning skincare routine. I rotate between the three of those depending on what I have on hand and what my skin needs. So whichever one you choose to use, they all serve the same purpose, which is to just get rid of any excess makeup or oil or dirt that you may have missed when you were, you know, washing your face or whatever. So yeah, after cleaning, makeup is still lurking on your face. So before going to bed, you want to make sure all that gunk is off and just avoid any new breakouts from clogged pores. As you can see, my white cotton pad is coming out clean, so my face is really not that dirty. So after I'm done, I just fan my face dry, and then I like to add my moisturizer of choice. So tonight, I'm using Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I love the design of this bottle. I love that it comes with the dropper, so it just puts the right amount into your hands. I like to work a little bit into my fingers, and then I gently pat it into my skin, focusing on the spots that have the most scarring and dark marks. This is my favorite product to use before bed. It's so lightweight, it easily absorbs into the skin, and always leaves my skin soft, supple, and hydrated. The texture of my skin has improved dramatically with this product. Like, the first thing you notice as soon as I wake up is that glow. Like, my skin is just brighter, just like more clean, more radiant. This product is bomb. I also like to use shea butter and the Ultra Facial Moisturizing Cream from Kiehl's. They both do my skin justice. I don't have any on hand right now, but if you guys want, you could definitely check out my blog. I have it linked down below in the description box, along with every product that I mentioned today. And as a matter of fact, I feel like I'm forgetting something. That's much better. As you can see, your girl almost forgot to put something on her list before going to bed, and we cannot have that. I got the Trader Joe's Organic Virtuoso Spearmint Lip Balm with SPF 15 on deck. We ain't trying to wake up with no cracked, dry lips, okay? So as you guys can see, my skin is glowing, so that means it's time for bed. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.